Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE's design has once again been revealed, this time thanks to British retailer Box. On its website, there are renders of the Galaxy S21 FE in the clear view cover, silicone cover, and the clear standing cover cases. The renders are in line with what we've seen of the Galaxy S21 FE from other press images and a leaked hands-on photo. To reiterate what we've heard so far, the Galaxy S21 FE will arrive in January, in 4 colors, white, black, purple, and green. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 888 or an Exynos 2100, depending on the market. The front is highlighted by a 120Hz, capable 6.41-inch AMOLED, while on the back there's a triple camera. We expect a 12MP wide, 12MP ultrawide, and 8MP 3x telephoto cameras. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.